Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about Freshest Vibes Watch Scam. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Guys, it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple products or new collection of watches and titanium rings. And apart from that, the website is offering various accessories including wireless gaming mouse, LED gaming mouse, diffuser, bracelet, tea gear, flower earbuds, etc. You can watch the product category list by scrolling down the website, and you can also find out the trending watch collection. And guys, the prices of these offerings are pretty high. Now talking about other information, so you can see the company accepts online payment via online payment modes, and the payment is 100% secure, they have mentioned. Now talking about shipping policy, guys, you can see at the bottom of the web page they have mentioned that the shipping times are 15 days, but in some cases it will depend upon the location and it will take around 15 to 60 days. So guys, this was the shipping information. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, this site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection and has an SSL certificate, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information of the site's domain creation date is 5th of October 2020. It means that this website is a newly launched website, so we can't trust on this easily. And apart from that, this domain is registered for 1 year only. So guys, this is not enough to judge its legitimacy. Let's explore the entire information about this website before making any online purchase. And you can see they have not provided the About Us page on this website, which is a negative sign. It makes the site quite suspicious, guys. And apart from that, talking about contact details, they have provided the contact details at the bottom of the web page and in the Get in Touch With section. But these details are not legit, guys. They have provided fake contact details including contact number, email address and official address. Apart from that, the email which is available on this web page doesn't matches with the domain name, which is a red high alert. Now talking about social media presence of the site, guys, you can see various social media accounts are available on this website, but these social media account handles are not active and misleading. When you'll check out the online presence or social media presence of this site on these social media account handles, you will be redirected to the return policy page of the particular website, which is a negative sign, guys. Now talking about the return policy, so let's check out. You can see, guys, they have mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. And talking about Freshest Vibes Watch Scam reviews, we have found no customer reviews about this site on the internet, guys. They have not provided customer reviews on a particular product section as well, which is a negative sign. And according to our in-depth research, guys, we have found few Freshest Vibe store reviews evaluations which say negative about it. So yes, we can say that this website is a scam website as the trust index score of this site is 1% only. Thus the site can't be trusted, guys. Apart from that, the site has too low traffic, or you can say nil online presence, which makes the site quite suspicious. And one of the drawbacks of this site is that this particular site has used the content of other websites and images, which is not a good sign, guys. So yes, in the final conclusion, this website appears to be scam. You should stay away from such type of scam websites, guys. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we would love to hear your views on this feedback. And guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.